Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, March the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. And the room is open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. Well, the market has surprised me, I have to admit, because after the White House said, well, I guess we're not going to be able to adhere to the April 15th let's open the country date, and then they moved it to April 30th. So the futures, if you were following the futures last night, Sunday night, you know at one point they were down 400 or 500, the Dow anyway. But anyway, we're in a positive position right now. We're up 450 points. So anyway, it's a crazy, if you'd asked me to predict what would have happened, I would have thought we were going to gap down. But anyway, we just got to play what we see. So I had not very many from my alerts today. I didn't have very many in my watch list, to be honest. I couldn't find many that I loved. So consequently, I didn't really have very many that alerted. In fact, there was only one that really was a good one, and that was the CCJ. And unfortunately for me, the CCJ, I got in at 703. And then unfortunately it did this. It moved up and then it moved right back down, and I got out for, I think about 4 or 5 cent profit. And then right after that, it ripped higher up to 730. Now I was saying in the room, take a look at the weekly chart. Take a look at this weekly chart. Actually, I should look at a daily chart. And you're going to see why I was thinking that it could stall right there. So look at the high right there. That is on March the 11th. What's the high? $7.30. What's the high today? $7.32. Basically, it was struggling to get through that high. Now, this will be on the watch list tomorrow, almost for sure, and especially even if it just stays here. But you can see that if it can take that high out, I mean, look at the room left it's got. Now, this is a uranium play. It's a Canadian uranium play, and it's obviously a sector that is hot right now, or at least this company is hot right now, because look from where it's come. I mean, well, I shouldn't say that because it was kind of choppy around this area here. But at any rate, today is definitely maybe a sector we have to look at. So that was the CCJ. There were a couple of nice ones from the AI. Let's see, PSTV 236. It got as high as 270. Pretty choppy. I found today kind of a very choppy day, to tell you the truth. I only did a couple of trades. I mean, even though this is, did get from 236 all the way up here, but very choppy all the way up and down. Don't like to see, especially on a 15-minute chart, you don't like to see all these topping tails and bottoming tails. I mean, there's just indecision. What you want to see is something like, yes, you. Now, this is one that was funny because I was demonstrating how to use the buy and the short buttons, or the buy button on our charts. And so I took this trade as a demonstration, and man, look at what it did. Got all the way from, I think I got in around 12.26, got all over $1. And I actually tried a short on this one. When it broke down underneath 13, we thought maybe this was going to be topping out. I mean, this is definitely a parabolic move on the 15s. Took a little short on this one, made a little bit of money, got out, and now it still looks reasonably strong. However, case to be made that if it takes out 13 again, this is an energy play, that this could really have a big drop. So I'm going to be watching this one going forward. Well, that's about it, guys. I mean, it's not too interesting a day for me. I mean, there were, obviously there are still some trades that are trending trades, but for what I was following, and I'm looking at my watch list predominantly, I only had 3 alerts total from my watch list. I'm anticipating we'll have more tomorrow because I'll have more symbols to choose from that will meet the filter requirements in the watch list for tomorrow. So we'll see. Okay, just want to bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link for our free room. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.